I like cameras. Okay, now if
If
let us turn. Oh yeah,
oh,
no,
we
but
passed it
yeah,
already.
but I was saying. But thank you. Okay, so I was saying we were talking about my arms. When I sleep, sometimes I move around. I move around.
Yeah.
I got
Where?
a lot going on.
Yeah.
A lot going on. So I gotta move around. I gotta change. So when I change positions, sometimes I'm on my side, either this way or this way. So when I'm on my side,
Both like this.
that too. Yeah, you name it, I do it. So when I lay down sometimes like this, and sometimes I put my hand on my arm like this. I said, who's this? What, what, where did I where did I get on that? Where did I get on that? Shit. I never felt this before.
Yeah.
Where you been all my life? I never felt this. So what happened was, see, the hand grips? Hand grips? I've done that for many years, since about 10 years. I've been doing the hand grips. That's good, but it doesn't make it bigger. It makes it harder and strong. It doesn't make it bigger.
Okay.
So when I started going to the gym and lifting the weights, and I saw somebody doing like this, with the weights, of course, and like this, with the weights. And I said, what's the diff? I asked people, what's the difference between that and the hand goods? I said, look, I use hand goods for 10 years, and I'm happy with that. So what's the difference between the hand grips, portable that I can walk around with in the street, and the weights? What's the difference? They said they're both very good, but the weights will make this bigger. The hand grips will make you stronger, but not bigger. The weights will make you stronger and bigger.
Wow.
I said, well, let me see. Now, I don't see a big difference. I see a little difference. But when I feel like, if I'm sleeping, I go like this, or if I'm showering and I wash my arms, I said, oh my God, what? Oh shit! What's all this? I turned the lights on. Who are you? What's going on? What? I turned the lights on. What's going on? Where you guys come from? Look at that shit. Where? And I look at different shadows,
Yeah.
And then I start seeing corners and shadows and special little places in there. And I go like this. Wait a minute. There's a whole lot of shit going on here. I said, damn, how come, why I can't see that much? Because I still have some fat here.
Okay.
If I became skinny, if I lost weight and the skin became skinnier, okay, I'll see more definition. You know what's definition? What's definition?
I know, David.
As a model, you had to work out.
No.
You did not work out?
I used to go, but now
to the gym.
Yeah.
Okay, when you went to the gym, did you ever hear the word definition?
No.
Do you know what it means?
No.
It means when you see people that are in shape, you see the lines. Usually it's the guys.
Okay.
You see lines.
But that's not good, or is
That is good.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it's like a piece of art. Oh. When you're fat, you can't see that. See, I got good abs. I work out. I have cuts. You can't see them. Okay, that's another. You know what cuts is, right?
Yeah.
Work out. Cuts is definition. Simple.
Okay.
See? I have all that. You can't see it. It's covered in fat.
Yep.
But when I was younger and skinny, I will show you pictures. I have a lot of pictures. Did you see pictures?
Yeah.
Of me?
Yes.
Which one?
With your brother and sister? Brother and sisters.
Which ones? They were on my sisters were on my shoulders?
No, they want your mom and she's included in the picture.
Oh, and back when I had a tie?
Yeah.
I was a little boy.
Oh.
Oh. like that one?
Yeah.
What did you do? Did you kiss something?
What?
You kissed. You did something.
No?
You said, yeah, you said,
Perfecto.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow, good. Do that. Look over here. Come here.
No, David.
Go like
no,
this.
No.
Do,
So you do it
Come-
for me.
come.
You do it for me.
Okay, she said,
Wow.
yes, I was kidding, but when I grew up, oh, you saw pictures of me. You didn't see me with the kung fu uniform without a shirt.
No.
Oh,
That's it.
you're gonna say, see, first you say, then you're gonna say,
Oh?
good morning, lots of manners.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Guys, let's sleep.
I know, move over. You want a pillow?
It's enough space for
Oh,
everybody.
you have a pillow?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's enough space for everybody.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, no, but even when I was skinny and I worked out, I didn't really have
No?
all those cuts. I mean, I look nice, but I didn't have a lot of cuts.
You still look nice.
Yeah, I still look nice. Like I had good abs, but you don't see, like some guys.
Anybody want some water?
No, I'm good. Some guys, they have all kinds of cut. You can see. They call it a six-pack. You know that, right? Six-pack. You never heard of that?
No.
What? Who? What? 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 Who?
Stop that, David.
Sorry. Okay. No, they call it a six-pack.
Do you know about six pack?
Yeah.
It's like
It looks like boxes. It looks like boxes.
Oh.
When you see male models, they're skinny and they have these lines over here. That's a six-pack.
Okay.
So when I was skinny, in shape, 18, 19, 20 years old, and even more than that, I never had the six-pack like that you can see.
Yeah.
Okay? So I never had definition. I never had cuts,
No?
even though I look really nice. Now, I really don't look nice because I'm good, but you can't see any of the muscle definitions because there's too much fat going on. Too much fat going on. I got to burn the fat that you might observe the cuts and define the definitionlessness. Then you're gonna say,